I'm Kim.
I'm Mike's.
Brim.
Let's chat.
What do you want to chat about?
I don't know what you want to chat about.
What's that clicking sound we hear?
That's Connor. His collar, his jingling, and his toes are, like toenails are on. Whenever he walks, it sounds like that.
Yeah.
On hardwood floor.
He has to get him cut again on Wednesday. I'm tired.
Don't I have Wednesday off?
Half a day Wednesday, half a day Thursday, no school Friday. Wonder why. I don't know.
Why are they doing that this week? Why can't this week just be a full week, and why don't they do that next week? Because that's a week before spring break.
I don't know. I have to get the calendar and look. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.